Good afternoon, Year 6. We are looking at geography today and we're going to be thinking about locational knowledge. So start off with a geography joke as we usually do. What's the fastest country in the world? Any ideas? It's Russia. It's also the largest country in the world as well. Okay, so today we're thinking about identifying UK counties. So counties were first started and first formed in the Middle Ages. So if you look at the map of the UK, this red section, this is Cheshire. How could we describe where in the UK Cheshire is if we were using our directional language, so north, south, east or west? Okay, if we look at Cheshire as well, we're also surrounded by other counties and they include Greater Manchester, Merseyside, Derbyshire, Shropshire, Staffordshire, Flintshire and Wrexham. Okay, so there's quite a lot of counties around us as well. Two of those counties, Flintshire and Wrexham, are both in Wales, the rest are England. So some extra facts about Cheshire. It's also famous for the car manufacturing industry. So there's the manufacturing plants for Jaguar and Vauxhall in Cheshire, and also, as many of you will know, Bentley is also situated in Crewe. Another industry that's been really important for Cheshire is the salt mining industry, and that's really big around Northwich and Middlewich. So we're going to look at some Cheshire towns and cities today. So I want you to see if you can find on your activity, can you find where the cities are? So there's some pictures on your activity. Only two of them are included in our presentation. So this is Northwich. This is a Cheshire town, Northwich. Oh, and we have Chester as well. And we have Nantwich. You'll notice the three cities have something in common. Could you add to your activity what these three, sorry, not cities, Chester's a city, the other two are towns. So Chester is a city because it has a cathedral. The other two are towns. What do these three locations have in common when you look at the pictures? When you look at the buildings, what's similar? So we've got Northwich, Chester and Nantwich. And if we think about the key features of Cheshire as well, there are lots of different towns and cities all around Cheshire. Can you use a map or the internet to find towns or cities in the north of Cheshire, the east of Cheshire, the south of Cheshire and the west of Cheshire? Now, Crewe, we already know that we are Cheshire East, so there's one town that you could include already. Here, if we look closely, there's Chester. We also have Warrington here, Runcorn, Frodsham. Here we've got Nantwich, Crewe. So think about how could you locate different towns and cities in Cheshire. After that, there's a bit of a challenge for you. This is your activity. There's a bit of a challenge to have a go at as well. And can you find the different time zones for these different locations? Now, I think you would need Google for this. I would use Google by quite simply asking, it gives you a time. So if it's midday in Brisbane, what time is it in Auckland? I would ask Google exactly that question. If it's midday in Brisbane, what time is it in Auckland? So it's midday in Brisbane, it would be 2 o'clock in Auckland. So you can change that to suit the correct town or city you are searching for as well. So if it's midday in Brisbane, what time is it in New York? See if you can write down what day it is as well. So if it's midday on Wednesday in Brisbane, it's 10 p.m. at night on Tuesday in New York. So that's just a bit of an extra challenge for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a message and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Speak to you later. Bye.